How are you all? I hope in yesterday's SS video you have solved the workbooks worksheet. There were 4 worksheets and we have done the sample few examples in the video, and I hope on the basis of that you have solved rest of the exercise. If there is any doubt, please refer your student's book and solve the exercise. Children, today we will do students book textual exercise. मतलब आपके चैप्टर के पीछे जो टेक्स्ट बुक के एक्सरसाइज है, we'll solve few examples of that and we'll go through the map work. So let's start with the textual exercise of our chapter. In this video, we'll go through fill-ups and the map work. So fill-ups will be, first one is we will be using the map for solving this fill-up. Now children, first one you can see India is surrounded by the dash ocean in the south. अगर साउथ में देखते हैं तो इधर कौन सा ओशन है? Indian Ocean. Which ocean is that? Indian Ocean. So your answer is Indian. Next is the range of hills running parallel to the west coast is called dash. मतलब ये जो west coast है वहाँ पे जो mountain hills होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Western Ghats. What we tell that? Western Ghats. I hope this both fill in the blanks are easy and you can refer our last videos for solving the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats things, and you can go through the textbook also. Now, third one is Lakshadweep is located in the dash. मतलब ये जो लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड है कौन सी वाटर बॉडीज में लोकेटेड है? Arabian Sea. Which water body is lying over here? तो आंसर इज अरेबियन सी. द आइलैंड नेबर ऑफ इंडिया इज डैश. मतलब ये भी एक आइलैंड है चिल्ड्रन, दो इट इज अ कंट्री इट इज ऑल्सो एन आइलैंड. सो द आइलैंड विच इज नेबरिंग टू द इंडिया इज विच part? So it's called Sri Lanka. I know that is a neighboring country, but Sri Lanka is also neighboring island of India. Okay. Next is dash is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So Dadra and Nagar Haveli का capital क्या है? Answer is Daman. We have seen in the videos or in the chapter that Dadra and Nagar Haveli is having now new capital, that is the Daman. I hope it is clear. So these were the fill in the blanks of our textbook. Now children, we will go through the map work. See, I have kept here for the referring of the map. You can see over here Daman is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Lakshadweep is located in Arabian Sea. In the south there is the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is the neighboring island of the country. I hope this is clear to you. Now children, will go to the map work of this chapter. You can see on the same page there is the map work is there where we have done the fill in the blanks. On the same page there is the map work. You can see the map marking. Can you see the political? You have to use the political map in that. जो मैप वर्क है उसमें हमको कौन सा मैप करना है? पॉलिटिकल मैप. वी हैव सीन व्हाट इज पॉलिटिकल मैप. जो लाइन वाला बाउंड्रीज वाला मैप होता है दैट इज अ पॉलिटिकल मैप. सो यू हैव टू यूज मैप ऑफ पॉलिटिकल मैप टू मार्क दिस पॉइंट. Now first one is two union territories which lies in the north part of the India. North part में कौन सी दो union territory है? So answer is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. You will be writing over here Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay. In this way you will write Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in the your student book also. Okay, where there is a map work, उसके बाजू जो क्वेश्चन है उसके बाजू में आप लिखोगे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख, एंड इन द मैप you will be Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay. Next is two states which lies in the southern part of India. Now साथ में कौन से दो states है? So answer is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So this one is Kerala and this one is Tamil Nadu. Please mark it properly, write properly with the correct spelling. Children, please use political map of India and remember you have to stick this map in your notebook once you complete the hard words of this chapter. Hard words के बाद आप ये map stick कर दोगे, लिखना है उसमें आपको ये पूरा map book and then you will keep the map in the notebook. You'll stick the map in the notebook. Now we'll go ahead with the third one. A state which lies in the western part of India. West में कौन सा state होता है? This is the west side. So state which lies in the western parts of India. Gujarat. See here it is the Gujarat. So you will be writing answer as a Gujarat. Okay. Children, don't forget to write it properly with the correct spellings and write the first letter of all the states capital. First letter है उसको हम capital में ही लिखेंगे because it is a name of the state. Okay, so third answer is Gujarat. Next one, two states which lies in the eastern part of India. East मतलब यहाँ पर. Now two states we will be writing. So one I have taken Arunachal Pradesh. Can you see this Arunachal Pradesh over here? Yes. And one I have taken Mizoram. जो ये नीचे वाला जाता है, this is the Mizoram. So this is again a Mizoram is a state. So two states which lies in the eastern part. Please write it properly. Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. Okay. I hope that is clear to you. Now we'll go ahead with the next part. See, you can see if you want two states which lies in south, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. You can see here two union territories. Children, Jammu and Kashmir is now union territory which lies in the north. Even Ladakh is a union territory which lies in the north side. So we have written Jammu and Kashmir over here and Ladakh. Okay. Two states which lies in the east part of India, that is Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, and one state in the west side, that is the Gujarat. Now we'll go ahead. Water bodies which surround our country. हमारे country में water bodies three sides पे है, उसके नाम लिखने हैं. So you have to mark in the map. West में Arabian Sea, there is Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. I hope it is clear. Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. You can color it with the blue color also if you want to do the coloring and write it properly and mark this water bodies. If you want, you can do the color also. Next is two neighboring countries of India. Children, this is not the state, it is the country. West two neighboring countries of India, मतलब बहुत सारी है. चाइना है, अफगानिस्तान है, चाइना है, अफगानिस्तान है, पाकिस्तान है, श्रीलंका है, म्यांमार है, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश. Right? These are the neighboring countries of the India. So you can refer any of the countries. आप कोई भी दो country का नाम लिख सकते हो. China also you can write, Nepal also you can write, Bhutan also you can write, Myanmar also you can write. Any two countries name you can write. I have written over here Afghanistan and Pakistan. In the answer I have written Afghanistan and Pakistan. So please mark it properly. Here it is Pakistan and here it is Afghanistan. See, the border of the Afghanistan or Pakistan, it touches to the here Jammu and Kashmir or near Ladakh over here, and so it is the neighboring country of the India. Okay, children. I hope this is clear to you. video of this purpose was mainly the map mark of our chapter. Here we complete this chapter. Notes of this chapter will be sent to you in the PDF format. In textual exercise, there is a fill in the blanks and match the column, which I'll again send you with the PDF format, and short question answer and long question answer. So you have to maintain the sequence, hard words, then this map work, then you will be writing fill in the blanks, match the column. Fill in the blanks and match the column is given in the textbook, so you do not require to copy it again. You can just write it over there, answers in the book itself. So hard words, map work, then short question and long question. And words to know also. So hard words to know, map work, short question, long question. I repeat the sequence: hard words to know, map work, short question and long question. And children, don't get confused. I'll send you the PDF format of all the things which you can copy it easily. But please mark the map properly and do the practice of map. In the next video, we'll start with the new chapter. Till then, stay at home, maintain the proper notes and work hard. Bye bye.